Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you all have read on the title, we are making elotes again, but this is going to be part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and click on that link first. I'll go ahead and have it in the description or somewhere up here, and go ahead and catch up on that way you guys can see what we did for part 1. And yeah, so if you're already caught up on that part, then go ahead and keep on watching. So for this video, we do have a little twist. We want to try different flavors, not just the hot Cheetos as we did on part 1. So we do have the Dorito Flamas, as well as the Takis, and of course the OG, the hot Cheetos. Also, we have our mayo right here and our brushes. What else? We did have a new Parmesan cheese just because we couldn't find the one that we used on the first part. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. I'm pretty sure it's good. Also the cheese, if you've seen part 1, you know the cheese flopped. So you all recommended the Rico's nacho cheese. So we're going to go ahead and use this one and let's see how that turns out. I'm pretty sure this will be a lot better. And as well, yeah, we are going to add a little sauce to it and add some lemon. And yeah, we have our drinks on the side and everything. So go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by getting our sticks right here. Here we go. And we're gonna go ahead and choose our elotes. So we're gonna go ahead and place that in the bottom. Why are you laughing? Oh, this one went in smoother.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, this is tip number 1 from Mr. Tony from first video.
There it is.
Okay, so now that it looks like this, beautiful, we're gonna go ahead and put in our mayo. So with our little brush, we're gonna go ahead and put that all over. I'm actually pretty excited for this one because I have a feeling already that these are gonna be a lot better from part 1, because we only did the hot Cheetos, but the cheese flopped. But I feel like for this one, it's gonna be a lot better. We are gonna melt it though, so I know it's like cold right now in the can, but we are gonna go ahead and melt that in. And I could already taste it.
Damn, there it is.
Yeah. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and crush our chips. We do have little Ziploc baggies because the bags are huge. They're like, I think like the family size or the bigger size, and of course we're not gonna use all of it. So we're just gonna put some in our Ziploc and smash. Which ones are you doing, the Takis?
Yeah.
I love these chips, but they are spicy. I don't usually eat spicy stuff anymore, but cheat day.
Okay.
Which is fine.
That's perfect. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard to crush.
Oh yeah, those are a lot thicker. My mouth is already watering. We actually haven't ate all day. We only ate breakfast, but because we woke up kind of late, right? We woke up kind of late, so my mouth is watering. I'm actually pretty hungry right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat more like after I crush them. Oh, I didn't bring my my stick from last time, remember?
Many hours later.
Okay, so now that we have them all crushed up, we're gonna put these on our plate. So I have the Flamas,
Takis.
he has the Takis, and then we already crushed the hot Cheetos as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just place this on our plate.
Correct.
And dig in our elote. My mouth is already watering.
That's good.
It does. Okay, so my elote, let me go ahead and put a little bit more mayo.
Yeah, me too.
That way it can stick a little better. Okay, my mouth is already watering. Now we're gonna put it in here. Okay, then we're gonna just finish stuffing our
Elote.
chips on our elote. This looks so good. We did wash our hands, guys, before, so
Yes.
don't come for me. I used to do that. So then, I have my hands a little dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese all over it.
Damn,
Oh my
girl.
god, that looks so good.
Damn, go get it, girl.
I'm gonna put a lot. So this is how it's supposed to look. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Yeah, like really shake it.
That's good.
Shake it. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lemon first before we go ahead and put in our cheese. Should we prep the hot Cheeto one right now as well? Okay, so let's just go ahead and prep that one. So I do have a separate plate for the hot Cheeto one. So go ahead and put the hot Cheetos, baby. Mm-hmm. We're gonna go ahead and get the other elote and stick this one in there. Let me just put the mayo on it.
So everyone, go ahead and tell us what you guys been doing for quarantine.
Are we still in quarantine?
Yeah, we're still in quarantine.
I'm not even sure if we're still in quarantine, are we? Well, I'm pretty sure we are again because I think all the businesses want to close down again since cases did rise up.
Yes.
So yeah, be careful out there. Okay, so let's go ahead and dip this one into the hot Cheetos. Woo!
We work as a team. Come on.
You're not spreading on that side.
Ya no quiero salir. Sorry.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that was too much. Okay, so then it looks like this one now.
It's empty for one side.
You missed the whole spot.
Es que no quiero salir.
Okay, there you go. That's enough. Okay, so now it's supposed to look like this.
Now is that
delicious? We're gonna go ahead and put this one here. Okay, guys. So we went ahead and brought in our what's it called? Rico's nacho cheese. Okay, now that cheese is a lot better than the one we chose for part one. So before I add the cheese, I want to go ahead and add my lemon to add more flavor all over it. It's so juicy.
That's the whole point.
Okay, now this. Look, guys.
You guys should try this at home.
So delicious. We haven't tried it yet, but I already know I'm gonna love it. But y'all should definitely make these. Oh yeah, that's really really good.
Okay, not too much.
I'm gonna add the whole lemon just because I do love these lemons. They're really juicy. Yep. I used to get limes, like the green ones, but lately I've been getting into these better. So, and these have a lot more juice and they're bigger and the flavor is a lot better than the other ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hand. Yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our what's it called? Rico's nacho cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and
no.
all over it. I'm putting it straight on the plate because I'm scared to make it's gonna fall. This looks so good already. Is it falling on yours? Why do you put the cheese like that? You did the same thing. You did the same thing on part one. So this is kind of what it looks like. It doesn't look so pretty, but I know it's gonna taste pretty.
It is really good, man.
What is happening? That looks prettier. So now for the taste test. I'm gonna taste this one first. Ready?
1, 2, and 3. It's pretty good.
Can I have one?
What?
Napkin.
I was like, Samalote, no. No.
Oh yeah, guys, for sure this is a lot better.
Yeah, it tastes really good, guys. Really good.
So whoever recommended the nacho cheese, thank you guys because it does taste a lot different. And it tastes a lot juicier because of the lemon. So it does taste a lot better already.
Oh yeah.
Wait, should we switch so I can taste yours?
Oh yeah?
He's like, no. This was the Flama ones. It was actually pretty good. What happened to the cheese on yours?
Because I was trying to put it on top so it can fall out like this, so you know. But
yeah.
It didn't work out.
This one was a Takis, right?
The Flama tastes pretty good. I think better than Takis.
Yeah. I don't really like Takis, but it's good still.
You need the hot Cheetos one.
The poor hot Cheeto one's not getting
The
much
OG.
attention.
The OG one.
Okay, so I would say after trying this one, the hot Cheeto one, we probably need to melt it again. Jeez.
Yeah, it got hard.
Because it kind of already got cold. I would say the Flama ones, this one,
And the Cheetos.
is, I think this one won.
Yeah.
What do you think? This one, the Takis, and the hot Cheeto one. I would personally say the Flama ones is a lot better. What you do like better?
I recommend Flamas, but hot Cheetos are still good.
I'm gonna go ahead and add some more lime on top of the cheese. Oh yeah. This is their dinner, so I'm not gonna cook no more.
Oh no. I'm still hungry. I'm gonna say what you used to say when I took you out to eat.
What? What was it?
You remember what you used to tell me?
No.
Every time we'll get the appetizer, you'll be like, I'll be like, that's it. You're like, that was just a little snack.
I did not say that. What? I think that was when I used to be a lot like fatter, because obviously I would eat a lot before I changed my diet. I lost weight so fast, right? Like quick. Then you can see the difference.
She was not fat, but she could say she was fat. For me, she was not fat.
I was, babe. You ain't gotta lie.
You know, a girl thing, they're always gonna say they're fat even though they're skinny. Always.
I was, guys. And then you can see the difference in my face. Like, I had such a round face, and you can see it in my legs, everything. Then I changed my diet, and boom, I lost a lot of weight. If you guys want to see a video on my weight loss journey, I do have before and after pics, which is a little embarrassing. But if you guys want to see that, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I'll show you guys what I would eat, what I would do, and everything like that. And I will show you guys my before and after pics.
And what she will make me eat because of her.
Yeah, because I don't like, it's because I have to cook 2 different meals, like from what I eat, then compared to what he eats. Like, he won't eat the stuff that I would eat, like the healthy stuff.
And I had to eat it because you didn't want to cook another meal.
I'm trying to cook 2 meals. But obviously, this is my cheat day, so we're eating this. And it's really, really good. So we already went ahead and finished up most of our elotes, so I'm already kind of full. I did leave like real little behind.
Me too, look at that.
But
I ate too.
but they did come out really, really good, and I liked these a lot better from the first time, so we learned. So thank you to you guys who recommended it, the Rico's nacho cheese, and then we added the lemon. The lemon gave it so much flavor, and it was a lot better.
I thought this cheese was better too.
Yeah. What tasted the cheese? What? I didn't really taste a difference in the cheese. It was still good. The Parmesan cheese. So from all these 3, which one was your favorite?
Flamas.
Flamas, hands down. So I would recommend the Flamas a lot better than any other one. The Taki was good, but I don't really eat Takis or chips in general. I haven't eaten chips in a long time. But the Flamas were #1, the best one.
My opinion, Takis you couldn't really taste the flavor.
I did
Flamas,
taste it.
You taste it a lot.
Probably because you didn't
better.
even add, did you even add lemon?
Yeah, better than the chili
Yeah.
one. Flamas really on the spot.
Okay, so anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I do want to try something different, so I want to go ahead and communicate like more with you guys. So today, for those who have me on Facebook, do know that I went live. I do want to do more lives on that, so if you guys want to see more of me, go ahead and add me on my Facebook. I'll go ahead and leave it down here and in the description box. And as well, guys, we're so close to 500 subscribers as well, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I do want to do a giveaway once I hit that, and I feel like we'll hit that pretty soon, and we're not that far away. And yeah, subscribe,
please.
Yeah, if not, what are you doing? No, but yeah, guys, so I think that's gonna go ahead and be it for this video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications on as well, that way you guys are notified every time that I post. And yeah, guys, so I'll go ahead and see you on my next one. Bye, guys.